Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do this really simple bun. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. First, you'll be needing your jam, your free spray, your bobby pins, your combs, your nets, your bun, your rubber bands. So first things first, you'll be taking a little bit of your jam. Jam helps you to control those little flyaways on your hair, and it gives it this smooth look. So I'm going to be taking a little bit and rubbing it on the hair to kind of tame the hair. So this hair I didn't do much because I already stretched the hair off camera. So before you get your bun done, you have to prep your hairs. If you don't know how to stretch your hairs, I have a video on my channel. Do have to check it out. So the next step, I'm going to be using bobby pins to pass it through the rubber band just like I'm doing. And yeah, when you're done, you should have something like this. Next, you're going to use your tail comb and kind of get the hairs together. You're going to use your free spray to still control the little flyaways, and then you're going to go out to smoothen this hair. This is a wig on a canvas head, so the wig is not really sitting well. It's kind of bumpy, but we just have to go with it. So the next step, you're going to take that rubber band and fix the bobby pin where I'm holding the hair, and then you're going to go around the wig like you're tying the hair, just like I'm doing. And then you're going to go ahead and stick the pin back in the hair, more like you're packing it in a ponytail, but not the usual way. And I'm going to go ahead and smoothen the hair. Next step, I'm going to just take a little bit from the hair, and as usual, use my free spray to control the flyaways. Then I'm going to take it around the rubber bands to cover the rubber bands and make it look cute. So as I'm doing that, I'm still going to be spraying it so it stays, I'm trying to make the hair stay in place, and I don't want any little flyaways, so that's why I'm spraying it more. And when I'm done, I'm going to use a small bobby pin to pin the end of the hair after I'm done wrapping it around. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray it more. Next, I'll be taking my hair padding. I have a video on how to make hair paddings on my channel. You can check it out. So I'm going to be wrapping the hair around the hair padding. Then I'll pin the tip on the hair padding to avoid it from rolling off from your bride's hair. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to just basically roll it until I get to the end of the hair. And then I'm going to use my bobby pins. You need lots of bobby pins. So I'm going to be using my bobby pins to pin the bun on the hair. Just watch what I'm doing so I do not distract you. So as I'm rolling it up, I'm going to be spreading the hair on the bun just like I'm doing, and then I'm going to go ahead and start pinning. So you're going to basically be pinning the hair pad on the hair to make it stable. So once you are done with that, you're going to go ahead and start smoothing the hair. You're going to comb it, spray it, and keep on smoothing the hair. As you're smoothing it, you're going to be pinning the hair under the hair bun just like I'm doing. It's a really easy step. I know a few times you're going to find it difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you're going to understand. It's really easy. So as I'm doing that, I'm going to be combing and smoothing it out and pinning it. After you spray it, you're going to go ahead and use your tail comb, the one with the iron bomb. You're going to use it to like smoothen out the hair, and basically tuck the hair under. As you're doing that, you're going to use pin to like hold the hair under so it stays in place. So basically, I'm just going to continue smoothing it out, pinning it, and yeah, the next step, I'm going to use my visible net to finally smoothen it out. This helps you to keep the hair in place to avoid it from scattering while the bride or your client is dancing or doing any strenuous work. Then I'm just going to twist it by the side and pin it. So this is the final look. Again, this is a wig, so it's not really smooth, but it's fine. And then I'm just showing you guys how I accessorize my simple bun. I either place it in the middle or the side, or depends on what the client wants. That, my darlings, is how you make a simple bun. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.